Hey folks, this is a quick doc I built to better track and outline the path to complete all the courses in Michigan's Masters of Applied Data Science program. I pulled together a list of the courses based on the materials the faculty provided, along with their prerequisites, descriptions, and the like. To walk through how to use this, you'd start off checking off the courses you've already completed, like this. So you'd come through and just mark off the ones you've already done. Then you'd head over to scheduling. Here you've got a list. Once you've picked or chosen your semester, you'll be able to see the list of all of the courses that are available during that period of time based on some of what the faculty has already provided. The thing I find most helpful is I can look across each course and then see what the hard prerequisites are, which ones are meant to be in coterm, meaning you can take them during the same session, and which ones are advisory. And then as you mark off sessions that you're going to schedule them, you can kind of see it light up in later courses of, okay, I've got this prerequisite handled, and you'll be able to identify any potential schedule conflicts or whatnot before you get started. The last thing I found valuable was to be able to look at progress over time. So I'd be able to come in here and see which courses I've already completed against the degree requirements. I think there were 8 or so, and understand which ones I've got in progress or scheduled for the upcoming semesters. To get started, you'll just click Copy Doc in the upper right here, and that'll make your own copy. You can think of this a lot like a Google Doc and a spreadsheet combined, so you can tweak it to your own needs or desires. As an example, let's imagine I'm a brand new student starting from scratch, so I click Copy Doc, and I end up in my own version of this. I retitle it to be for me. As I'm a new student, there's no courses I have to mark off as completed, so I'll just jump right into scheduling. I'm going to start by just selecting the 2022 semester. And then as I look down at all these courses, probably the first thing I'm personally going to want to do is group this by category. So look across some of the core groups of classes. And one of the first things I notice is that 505 has lots of dependencies on it later on. So I might choose, and as that's often offered in session 1, I might choose to do that first. And as SQL and databases, it also has no prereqs. I might do that at the same time. Just continuing the theme of computational methods in session 2 and 3, I might pick those off. And now I've got to kind of scan for what's a session 4 where I've got a requirement set or it doesn't have a requirement. So as an example, 523 looks like it requires 522, but I don't currently have that scheduled, and that's only available in session 2. So in theory, I could take 522 in session 2 since I'm taking 505 in session 1. So maybe I choose to do that, and then that opens up this 523 for me in session 4. At the very bottom of this list then, I can see the scheduled courses I have for that semester sorted by date. Let me get my face out of the way. So I can kind of see, the full list of what I've got coming up and how I want to map it out. And then lastly, I can look at my progress and see, okay, I'm making lots of progress in this first semester just on this computational methods requirement, and I've started dabbling in the communication one. Hopefully this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.